Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious cream peas using canned peas. First, gather your ingredients: canned peas, milk, butter, and a little flour. Begin by draining and rinsing your canned peas thoroughly under cool water. Next, melt 2 tablespoons of butter in a medium saucepan over medium heat. Once melted, whisk in 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour to create a smooth, light roux. Now let's build that creamy sauce. Gradually add 1 cup of milk to your roux, whisking constantly to prevent lumps. Continue cooking over medium heat, stirring often, until the sauce thickens to your desired consistency. This usually takes about 3 to 5 minutes. Season the sauce with about 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, or to your taste. With your sauce ready, it's time to add the stars of the dish. Gently fold the drained peas into the thickened cream sauce. Stir everything together thoroughly, ensuring all the peas are beautifully coated. Allow the mixture to simmer gently for about 5 to 7 minutes, just long enough for the peas to heat through completely without overcooking. Your easy cream peas are almost ready. Give them a quick taste and adjust any seasonings if needed. A little more salt or pepper can make a big difference. For a fresh touch, you can garnish with some chopped fresh parsley or chives. Serve these warm, creamy peas as a delightful side dish with your favorite meal. Enjoy your simple, homemade comfort food.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.